Hey you, it's me Marisha and I'm back with another video. I am starting off with brushing out my eyebrows using this spoolie brush. Then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to dip into this e.l.f. dip brow in the color Espresso. And as you can see, I'm just filling out my brows in a not so neat way, just to fill them in. Now I'm using a spoolie to fill in that product to blend it all out. And then I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the number 25 and put it underneath my brows and then move it up using a brush just like the one I used to fill in my brows. And then I'm going to blend it out with a small buffing blending brush. Usually I use my foundation on the top of my brow, but I just went ahead and used the leftovers on the brush and what was on the bottom of my brow on the top of my brow. So now I'm taking this brush that I was talking about and I'm going to blend out that concealer. Now I'm taking this blue bottle of e.l.f. primer and I'm going to put it on my fingertips and just work that in on my skin. And then I'll be moving on by using a foundation brush, a flat foundation brush, and putting my foundation on that Maybelline Color Stay in the number 330. And I'm going to blend that in using this brush and then go over it with my Jumbo Beauty Blender. Now that is worked in, I'm taking my concealer, the same that I use for my brows, and I'm just highlighting the places that I want to highlight and using the other side of that foundation brush to blend it out and then take my finger to go over it so there's no brush marks. I am taking this Revolution Banana Setting Powder and I'm going to place that directly on the places that I've put my concealer just so my face can have an in-depth highlight and so it can set really good. And then I am going to move on to contouring my face. I'm taking the It's My Ray Ray palette, the first one by BH Cosmetic. On the top there's the highlighters and then on the bottom is the contour. I'm going to use the color Mocha, taking this brush, and I'm just going to do it around my forehead, my jawbones, and my nose. So I'm taking different brushes to blend out that contour. Once I get the contour worked in, I will go ahead and just start blending out that setting powder and just meshing it all together. Now take setting powder and draw a line right underneath my contour. That way it make my contour pop a little more. So that's what that's all about. And I just go ahead and blend that directly out and into that contour. Now I'm going to add mascara. I am not doing any eyeshadow because, guys, this look is basic. I mean, it's basic and it's just casual, you know. Now I'm taking this angled fluffy brush and I am going to use this to apply my blush. This palette is from BH Cosmetics and I'm just going to put that right up top, right above my contour, and just go ahead and blend it out as I'm doing it. Now as you can see, I'm adding this deep dark brown shade to outline my lips. Once I'm done outlining my lips, I'm taking this lip gloss. It's called Aaliyah. It's by MAC, and I love the way this feels on my lips. Like, it's perfect. Now I'm taking this It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to use that middle highlighting shade and just highlight all over my face. Now we're all done. This is the finished look. You are ready to go. Have a good time. This look is so basic yet so pretty. I mean, come on. Like, yes. Guys, if you like this look, make sure you hit that like. Go ahead and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Leave a comment, all that good stuff. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.